Performance mode has its own storage space. You can use it to organize up to 625 rigs from the browse pool to use in your live gigs. Any changes you make to rigs in performance mode will not be reflected in the originals in the browse pool. When you copy a rig from the browse pool into a performance, the name of the rig will appear in the selected slot and also in the display of the remote. There are two ways to change the names to organize your setup in an optimal way. You can change the actual name of the rig, for instance, by giving it the name of the amp profile, and you can also change the slot name, which could be used to identify the song part or the purpose of the slot in a performance. To change the slot name, press soft button 1, Slot Settings, followed by soft button 4, Rename Slot, in the following screen. Now you can input the new name. To delete unwanted characters, you can use Clear, and to input new characters, use the character knob. Press Store 3 times to save the new settings for this performance. If you want to change the order of slots in a performance, press soft button 1, Slot Settings, followed by soft button 3, Move Slot. Now you can move the currently selected slot to the left or right using soft buttons 1 or 2. Nothing gets overwritten, the slots are just changing their position. And to save these changes, press the Store button 3 times. You can also use the copy and paste function to move slots, and even move them to a different performance if you like. Select a slot and press Copy to create a copy in the clipboard. Select the next slot and press Paste. Now the first slot is copied to the new location. Remember that using this approach will overwrite the destination slot. If you have modified a rig in Perform mode, you can then store it to the browse pool for later use. To do that, press the Rig button, followed by soft button 3, Store to Pool. This will store a copy of the rig by the same name in the browse pool. If you want to rename the rig before you store it, click on soft button 1, Rig Tags, followed by Edit, and rename the rig. To change the order of performances, press soft button 2, Arrange Performances. Use the rig up-down buttons to select a performance, and change its position with soft buttons 2 and 3. Press Exit to return to the main page of the selected performance. The new order is stored automatically. Nothing gets overwritten, it's just that the performances will have swapped their positions.